morning I'm editing a little bit of the last of our France videos before I go glass fusing. I've never done it before and I'm really excited. It's going to be, I think, my first Christmas craft of the year. It's not necessarily Christmas, you can do this anytime, but I think I'm going to do a Christmas version. But yeah, I'm excited. Louis just got up, so. Here he is, my little buddy. Hey little buddy. Glass fusing with John's sister and niece. None of us have done it before. We booked it at Pellet and Pasture, which we have been to before. I'm really excited to go back. It's an ice cream parlour. It is November and it's cold and I'm jumping up, but I'm still excited to go to Pellet and Pasture because that ice cream is wonderful, and obviously we get to do a new craft. So I think it was £35 and we get to do 2 small-ish ornaments or 1 big one. I think Jade is doing a big one, and then we can pay extra to do extra if we have time. So yeah, I'm really excited. Let's get going. Okay, that was so fun. I picked up some ice cream. It's not for you. I got Biscoff for John, and I brought the bag. I got Cherry Ripple. Oh, it's sealed. That's good. But it's definitely leaky, so I'm going to pop that in the freezer. But it was such a good time. I can't wait to see what they turned out like. So Tracy's going to pick them up next week, and then I'll show you in a future vlog or on Instagram. So follow our Instagram if you're not already. But yeah, it was so fun and way more difficult than I thought it would be to like pick a design and then get everything all lined up. And we were chatting for ages, and it is now 5 o'clock, which means I have to start doing stew. We're having stew for tea tonight and French sticks. So we better get a move on. I've had too much fun gallivanting today and not enough time doing all of the things. I've still got a video to edit as well, so hopefully we can get everything done. But yeah, these need to go in the freezer first. With our stew tonight, we're gonna have French baguettes, and I just wanted to show you the recipe really quick because it's so easy. So basically, it is 11 grams of yeast and 500 milliliters of lukewarm water. Then you let that sit for 15 minutes. We're a little bit on the wonk, but you're balancing on a book. We're going to give that a stir, let that sit for 15 minutes. It takes 2 hours to make these baguettes in total. While all the cooking is happening, I'm going to try and get at least some kind of rough cut of this video, the first one, because I have 3 videos to edit this weekend and it is already Saturday night, so it's going to be tough, but it's all holiday ones, so I enjoy editing all of the videos, but it's a challenge for sure. But if I can get like a rough cut, that sets me up in a good stand-in for tomorrow. So yeah, but I've got French baguette kind of going, stew kind of going, and then I just need to do the washing up, which I hate doing. But yeah, So next you add a teaspoon of sugar, and this is to help with the yeast, and 2 teaspoons of salt, which is using regular salt. I've made these before and they turn out super nice. 2 of salt, and then half of the flour. So we're gonna do 560 grams of flour. I just use the plain flour. So if you're doing half, obviously 560 makes 280. Quick maths. So pop in half of the flour. Okay, we did 290, so we need to do 270 next. Give that a mix. And then add in the other half. So we're gonna do 270 because I did 290. And then mix that again. But make sure you don't over mix it because you still want the bubbles in there. And that's what makes it like fluffy on the inside. And it'll kind of look like that on the inside. Then cover it, and you want to set a timer for 90 minutes. Okay, so then it's been sat in this tub for 90 minutes and it has risen, so it looks doughy now. We've got one of these trays which you can get on Amazon. Leave it linked below, but you can definitely do it with a wet tea towel scrunched up as well. We're gonna tip this out onto, I've got like a chopping board covered in flour because this is so sticky. I don't really know how to show you this. I'm gonna give it my best go, but yeah, just gonna get it out onto here. Ideally your dough is floury enough that your knife doesn't stick. I don't know if mine is, but let's try it. Perfect. And then this is the bit that is really easy but also difficult to explain, so I'm gonna just show you. Just pick up your half of the dough, twist it, and then pop it on the baking tray. Let's give it another go. Pick up the dough, give it a, I'll show you what it looks like in a sec because I can't hold you and twist it, unfortunately. Pick it up, twist it, pop it on the baking tray, and it looks like that. It doesn't look like much now, but I promise you it's gonna look great. And it goes into the oven for 25 minutes at about 240, but keep your eye on it. So we're gonna have this with our stew.
Nice.
John's home.
Hi. How amazing is that?
Yeah. I just went and got changed quickly, but I didn't tell you about the champagne thing, the glass making thing earlier. It was £25 to do 2 small ones like I did, or 1 big one like Jade did, John's niece. And I'd booked to do an extra one, which would have been an additional £8. But I didn't do that, so I bought these instead. These were £5. And it's a little strawberry and a kiwi earring. How cute are those? Well, the lady was telling us all about her business and how she started it during lockdown, and she just loved it, and she quit her job to do more of this, and she does some teaching stuff now. But yeah, she makes all of this by hand, and then she teaches people how to do it themselves. So how sweet are those? But it is almost tea time. We've got about 20 minutes till tea is ready. I'll show you the baguettes when they're done. It's firework night almost, so Louis is very stressed. One of the neighbours across the way is having a garden bonfire thing with fireworks, and it looks like they're in our garden practically, so it's a bit much, but it's what it is. So yeah, and I just about got that video I was telling you about, like, blocked, not fully edited but blocked, which is gonna help me tomorrow, so that is good. But it's been a long day, long busy fun day. Not a fun day for Johnny, he's been at work, but yeah, long busy fun day for me. Okay, so that's what they should look like when they come out, and then if you tap them, they're too hot for me to tap. If you tap them, they should like sound kind of hollow.
It smells amazing.
Yeah.
And the stew smells amazing.
I can't smell the stew, but I think it's because I've been in the house with it. But
it smells amazing. Yes. Look at that. Bit of dumplings, lovely. And a baguette, lovely. Thank you. That was amazing. Look how awesome's that.
You're all steamed up.
Nice.
Yes. We're gonna tuck in and then watch YouTube probably.
Yes.
And then it'll
Chill
be
out.
chill out time. So thank you so much for coming along with me today. I had a really fun day.
Good.
It was a bit manic when we got back, wasn't it? But
You've done well. That's amazing.
Yeah.
I didn't expect you to do it today. That was it was a long one today.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification. I'll see you in the next
Absolutely.
one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.